This morning I woke up with a smile. I had this story in my head. I heard these birds singing and I wanted to share this story with you because it happens to be your birthday. Far, far away east, beyond Siberia, beyond Kamchatka and Japan. Far away east, close to where the sun rises, there is a mysterious island called Tuyu. And there, for a very long time, all the birds don't sing. They are very, very unhappy. Anyway, a few years ago, something mysterious happened. A little bird saw your smile. Your beautiful, beautiful smile. And this bird was so happy, he started to sing a song about your smile. And soon enough, the birds around him became happy and picked up the song. And this song about your beautiful face, your beautiful smile, it spreads all over the world, even far east, further east than Siberia, Kamchatka and Japan. It even reached this mysterious island Tuyu. And even the birds there became happy when they heard the song about your beautiful smile. Some tourists came to the island and they heard the song. They didn't quite get it. They thought the song was about you, but it's not about you at all. It's about the island. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear island. Happy birthday to you.